Welcome back to Stoicism for Her Queens. We're exploring a fascinating world today, that of the Sigma female. Though this phrase may evoke thoughts of serene assurance and unshakable self-reliance, worry not, my love. These qualities aren't unique to a small group of people. You can find these similar hidden talents within yourself by using the key provided by Stoicism, your reliable travel partner on this path of self-discovery. Imagine, Queens, a lady who seems impervious to the storms that may roar all around her and who moves through life with a peaceful grace. Her strength lies not in her physical prowess, but in her inner fortitude, which enables her to face difficulties head-on and remain composed. This is the core of Stoicism, my queens, and the cornerstone upon which each of us constructs our own special power. Even with its beauty, life can have many unexpected turns and twists. Setbacks are an inevitable part of the trip, and challenges are unavoidable. But how we choose to handle challenges is what really makes us, not whether we face them or not. Instead than focusing on avoiding adversity, the hidden talents we'll discuss today are about developing the inner fortitude to face it head-on with grace and wisdom. Let's now explore the 8 latent abilities that Stoicism enables us to cultivate, so enabling us to become the resilient, self-reliant queens we were destined to be. 1. The influence of changing viewpoints. When life throws us curveballs, we can become discouraged. However, Stoicism provides a potent remedy in the form of the capacity to change our viewpoint. Consider setbacks as chances for personal development rather than something that defines you. What can I learn from this experience is a question to ask yourself. Maybe it shows where you need to grow as a person or emphasizes how important boundaries are. You can turn obstacles into stepping stones on your way to self-mastery by rephrasing issues. 2. Composure under pressure. Imagine a raging storm threatening to disrupt your inner peace. A Stoic queen, however, possesses the remarkable talent of maintaining composure amidst chaos. This doesn't mean ignoring emotions, but rather acknowledging them without letting them control your actions. Through deep breathing exercises and mindfulness practices, you cultivate an inner calm that allows you to respond thoughtfully, even in the face of pressure. 3. The skill of determining limits. Queens, fulfilling relationships are necessary for a happy life, but being able to set boundaries is necessary for safeguarding your well-being. This hidden talent enables you to successfully explain your requirements and expectations, preventing exploitation or disrespect. Recall that establishing limits is about making an environment where you can flourish rather than about being egotistical. 4. The inner fire's fuel. Situations that lack respect can be depressing. Nonetheless, Stoicism teaches you how to turn negative into a source of inner fire. Save your precious energy and stop hating or being resentful. Rather, direct that energy towards constructive endeavors. Make use of it to advance your career, forge closer bonds with others, or accomplish personal objectives. Disrespect turns into a chance for personal development and a motivator to become a stronger, more independent version of oneself. 5. The power of independence. Queens, you are powerful and capable people by nature. Stoicism promotes the development of self-reliance, the capacity to rely on your own judgment, and the ability to overcome obstacles on your own. This doesn't imply rejecting help from close ones. Rather, it means developing an inner self-assurance that enables you to face challenges head-on. 6. The acceptance wisdom. Queens, life isn't always fair. There are just some things we can't control. You learn the strength of acceptance via Stoicism. You may concentrate your efforts on the things you can control, by accepting the things you cannot change. This enables you to let go of negativity and focus your energies on making meaningful decisions, one at a time, to create a fulfilling existence. 7. The bequest of pardon. It's like carrying a big weight when you hold on to your anger and resentment. You can learn the freeing power of forgiveness through Stoicism. It's about freeing oneself from the weight of negativity, not about accepting rude behavior. You can move forward with an open heart and a clear mind after you have forgiven, ready to welcome new experiences. 8. The path of constant improvement. Queens, life is an ongoing educational process. You are urged by Stoicism to welcome this path of personal development. Every difficulty you face and every lesson you take away helps to mold you into the strong, tough woman you are becoming. Honor your accomplishments, no matter how modest, and recognize the strides you take as you go. You can reach your greatest potential and radiate your brightest light onto the world by accepting constant growth. Remember, Queens, being stoic doesn't mean turning into a heartless automaton. It's about developing the fortitude to face life's obstacles with discernment and grace. You change from being passive observers of your own fate to active makers of it by embracing these latent skills. You take on the persona of poised assurance, exuding an inner strength that uplifts and enables everyone around you. Queens, this is the key to releasing your inner Sigma. It's about embracing your individual qualities and developing the resilience to weather life's storms with unshakable serenity, not about fitting into a mold. Are you prepared to tap into your inner strength, Queens? Post your ideas and personal stories in the comments section below. Have there been instances where your Stoicism has enabled you to unlock these latent talents? What special qualities do you have that help you overcome obstacles in life? Become a part of the Stoicism for Her community. Talk about your struggles, victories, and life experiences as you go through it. By working together, we may enable one another to lead courageous, astute, and unstoppable lives. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational Stoicism and personal development content. Queens, until the next time, remember to be resilient, strong, and to embrace the strong woman you are inside.